Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the outer casing. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the base and sides of the unit. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing off, exposing the internal components. Now, locate the power plate. It's typically situated near the power supply connection. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to check for any visible damage or loose connections. If you're unsure how to inspect the power plate, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can identify issues quickly and efficiently. Using the multimeter, check the continuity of the power plate. Set your multimeter to the resistance setting and touch the probes to the power plate terminals. If you receive a reading of 0, it indicates that the power plate is faulty and needs replacement. If you need help with this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process hassle-free without needing to make calls or travel. Once you've confirmed that the power plate is damaged, it's time to replace it. Order a compatible power plate for the TM31 model from a reliable supplier. When the new part arrives, carefully remove the old plate by unscrewing it from its mountings. Use the flathead screwdriver if you encounter any stubborn screws. Next, clean the area where the power plate was installed. Dust and debris can accumulate and affect the performance of the new part. A small brush or compressed air can help ensure the area is spotless. If you're not comfortable with cleaning or replacing parts yourself, remember, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs. Now, install the new power plate by aligning it with the mounting holes and securing it with screws. Make sure the connections are tight and secure to avoid future issues. Once the new power plate is in place, reassemble the Thermomix TM31 by reversing the disassembly steps. Carefully place the outer casing back on and screw it in securely. Before plugging it back in, double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose parts inside. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and test it out. If everything is working correctly, you should no longer see error 39. If the error persists, consider contacting us for further assistance. Our technicians are ready to help you with any ongoing issues, ensuring your kitchen appliance is back up and running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.